Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson we're going to be looking at some things called arrays and how they will help us to work out multiplication sums, but we will be doing it in steps how we did it previously when we were adding equal groups, and how we can use that knowledge that we already have to solve multiplication using arrays. But first, before we do that, have a look at these questions. It's just getting you practicing skip counting in 2s, in 5s. Can you even try it in 3s as a bit of a challenge? Also looking at how skip counting, which is just counting in 2s or 5s or 3s or 10s, is the same as repeated addition, because if you think about it, if we're counting in 2s, we're going 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. Okay, so have a go at those now, and if you want to write those down and show me your answers, that would also be fantastic.